Erika and I have been going to Kettle Cove Beach over in Cape Elizabeth out there. We've been finding these really great rocks that are like almost slate-ish, almost shale or something like that. I found out they're called jade. And I've been binding them into the spines of my books, or some of them anyway. I've got a couple options over there, but I've been binding into the spine of the books because we find them on the beach and they're just like so delightfully like weird and shiny, and they've got this fun like pencil texture to them. And I was like, part of the reason I love these rocks so much is they look really great when they're wet, but you can't really keep a rock wet unless you can. I remembered that I have this stuff, gloss acrylic varnish, which when you paint it on the rock, it's basically just like a polyurethane for anything that'll take acrylic. So like it looks like it was its original wet self, even though this is bone dry, versus something like this, where it still has some of that shine in there, but it's a very dry, sort of like gritty feel to it. And this is basically the same texture. Like this isn't changing the texture. It's not like you're covering it in like a millimeter of plastic or something like that, or like resin or whatever. It's a very thin coat, but check this out. So I got this rock right here is just bone dry. And as you paint this on and thin it out a little bit, those purpley bubbles will disappear. But it just looks wet, and it maintains that wet texture even when it's been dried. That same thing, it just appears to be the same. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. That looks great. Literally just like it right came out of the ocean. Gosh dang. Thanks, airplane. Appreciate the airport nearby. With like, I don't know what this section's gonna do. Yeah, apparently with this jade, you can find them if they're like, they've even got like a green tone to them. I don't think it's the same jade that I think I'm thinking of, but I don't know. It might be. But for something like that in Maine, it sounds a little exotic. But it'll maintain this shininess, and I think that's going to be great on these books. Like this guy.